Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over function expressions in JavaScript. So this is a way that we can get the content or the code from a function. So let's say that we do, let's create a new function that we went over in the last video. We'll do a function, then we'll do something like say hello. And then I'm just going to do a console.log and I'm going to do hello. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is we're going to create a new variable. I'm just going to name it like function or func, and we're going to equal this to this function. We'll do say hello, but we're not going to call this function at all. So by call this function, we just need to add the brackets. Okay, and also you can see we are not returning anything. Okay, so in order to store something or the return value of a function, we need to return something, but we're not going to be doing that. Okay, so let's just remove this, and now I'm gonna do console.log, and I'm going to insert func. Okay, this value that we have created here. Now, whenever we call this method, you can see that we get the content that is of that function. So we get f, which is for function, say hello, and then we usually get all the content that is inside it. Now this function does still work. So for example, we can still call this, so we can do something like console.log, for example, and we can do say hello, and we can call that function now. Refresh this, and you can see we still get hello, okay, because we are calling that function. All right. Now we don't actually need this. All we have to do is we have to do say hello. So we are still able to call this function. It's not like that function stops working. See, hello. Okay. Now we can do this in the exact same way, but what we can do is we can create this function as a variable. So let's just remove all this. Let's remove this and let's remove this. Now in this function, what we can do is we can do let. Then we can give it a name. I'm just going to do func, and we're going to equal this to the function. Okay. So we are setting a variable that is going to equal to this function, and by doing that, it works in the exact same way that we did it. So if I refresh this, you can see that we get the content of this function. So that's about it for function expressions. It was a short one, but I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.